In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Coinbase wallet. Whether you're ensuring that your account is secure on a shared device, or simply wrapping up your activities for the day, logging out is a simple yet essential task. So, let's walk through the steps together to make sure you're logging out correctly and securely. First off, open the Coinbase wallet app on your device. This is your gateway to securely managing your cryptocurrencies, so it's crucial to always start here. Make sure that your app is up to date to avoid any unexpected issues, as updates often include security enhancements and bug fixes. Once you are in the app, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the settings icon. This little gear-shaped symbol is your access point to various facets of your app's configuration, including your login credentials and security settings. After tapping the settings icon, you'll see a list of options. Take your time to scroll down through these options. Your aim is to find the sign out option, which is typically towards the bottom of this list. Selecting this ensures that you are opting out of any automatic logins or sessions on the app. However, before you proceed to the next step, pause for a moment to check whether your keys are backed up. This is a significant step for anyone managing digital currencies. Keeping a backup of your keys ensures that you can regain access to your wallet if you ever need to reinstall the app or switch devices. If you're uncertain about how to manage this, it might be worthwhile to explore the backup options within Coinbase Wallet for greater peace of mind. Now that you're certain your keys are secure and backed up, go ahead and tap Sign Out once more. Doing this confirms your decision to log out, thereby closing your session on the device. It's a good habit to get into, especially when using shared devices, as it helps protect your digital assets from unauthorized access. And there you have it, you've successfully logged out of your Coinbase wallet. I hope this step-by-step guide was easy to follow and helped you log out safely. Remember that these small actions are vital for maintaining the security of your digital life. If you have any further questions or need assistance with other features within the Coinbase Wallet app, feel free to explore additional guides or reach out for help. Thanks for joining me today, and stay safe out there in the digital world.